Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. What happened to yields close to kissing that 1.6? We've been talking about this to our clients in the sense, and certainly I've been blogging about this a lot. It's not about the actual level. 150 on the 10-year was a bit of a level, slightly sticky. It's not about the level. It's about the acceleration, the rate of change, or the gamma, if you're an options person. It's the acceleration, and we did accelerate, and that did cause a scramble to sell equities and a scramble to buy dollars. Emerging markets got hit hard, Aussie got nuked, and it's another day. Looks like we've got some legs. Desk talk that there was some equity selling anyway into the month end. But the first chart, let's take a look at our old favorite Eurodollar. Right, this 121.74, very nice fib, very good resistance. That got smashed. Obviously, these kinds of ripping moves, just taking no prisoners on those levels to the downside. We are lower, kissing that 121, the figure level. 120.30, not a bad trend line, actually. Not a bad trend line. Below that, 119.78. Let's just see if that holds. We got stopped out of that just at the beginning of February, beginning of the month. But let's see if we can get more legs on this route, or if it's just a bit of a flash in the pan. Next chart. All the talk was on Aussie getting nuked. We're below this key level at 78, the figure, touching 60s at the moment as we speak. So, talk of some selling into this 80, the figure, but it was all plain sailing for the bears after that, just because of this 1.6% spike on the 10-year. Next chart. Dollar CAD, obviously this went up when there was that risk-off moment. You know what? This could be the chance for faders to get some really, really cheap Canadians, because they are quite lagging what is normally commonly known as a high beta currency, certainly with global growth. This is a lag, not a lead, it's a lag now. So when that will change, I don't know. Is it really correlating that well with oil? No. But if you've got a tin hat, put it firmly on, especially if you're going to fade any risk-off bounce in dollar CAD. And that's the key for me on the dollar CAD. So the next and final chart, sterling dollar, commonly known as cable to our friends. Clearly, we've broken that 140.12. I mean, there's nothing really going to stop this dollar higher move. But the big guns might come out around 137, the figure. Let's just see what happens when we get down there. But at the moment, it is month end. You still get some squaring, wouldn't quite say window dressing, but from scrambling to square from the previous month. You will get that. And, all I can say is, if you do get some signs that it is got legs, and it looks like it might do, it could lead into early next week. That's it from me, Patrick Reed, from the Adamus Principle. Have a great weekend and catch you next week.